What's the best solution to mount this thing in your Jeep? Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Chris, and today we are installing a holder for my handheld Midland radio. I have the GXT series that I use all the time when I go wheeling with the guys. Now, I don't have a permanent unit, a radio, or GMRS radio in my Jeep, so I have this. And it serves me well, and I like it. It's pretty lightweight. I can just use it in and out of the Jeep when I'm going wheeling. Now the bad part is when I go back in my Jeep, I just put it on my passenger side seat or in my lap, or that little tray on top of the dash. But sometimes it falls off and then ended up being on the floor. So I have to reach while I'm driving, which is not safe. So I've decided to get a holder for it. I purchased it through Amazon. I will leave the link down below. So if you guys decided to purchase it, now just remember, this is a 2 pieces part. So make sure that you get both of them, because I made a mistake. I only ordered one part, not the other. So I had to wait for them to come. So anyway, yeah, let's get started. Alright guys, installation is complete. Now I have a place to put my portable radio right there. The whole process took me about 15 minutes from putting this all together, take this apart, put everything back together. Pretty simple. I like it. Well, that is it for me. Hopefully you guys liked the video. Don't forget to hit that like button if you do like it, and if you're not a subscriber, hit that subscribe button. Alright, so until next time, I'll see you guys on the trail, and keep on jeeping.